So good morning, everybody. Now it is now 8:50, y'all. We got about 40 minutes before the market opens, and if you have not seen what have taken place, if anybody was in shorts yesterday for certain companies, you might notice that the market started pumping out of nowhere. Basically, Trump came out and said that he has no plans of firing Powell. Y'all know the beef that Jerome and Trump has, and him when it comes to the Feds. And then he also made the statement about things with China are going well. And the market just started pumping up. Okay. So not only is that it was cool, okay, but it was damn good for our Nvidia play, and we have definitely been seeing and when the market closed, it pushed all the way up to 102. And I'm going to be showing you guys where we are now leading up to market open, and more than likely we're going to be closing this thing out. So while we wait for the market to open, I'm about to make me some coffee, and we are about to get our day on the market started, and we are also going to be preparing for our third play in this 100 to 1,000 series. So watch what's happening on the charts. We're currently in pre-market right now. Things are looking pretty good. We do have some overhead levels up there at the top that you kind of want to pay attention to. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got. And so I had a level at 104.66 as a potential resistance. And as you guys can see, we've hit it. And it went up a little bit to 104.70, and it's kind of riding under that level that I had here. And then I had another level up at 106.15, and then a higher level up here at 109. So to be quite honest, I said anything over 105, but we need to see what takes place in the next 30 minutes. If we get up here to this 106.15, then that of course will push us further up. And this little red thing right here officially puts our 102 call option in the money. Okay, because as you guys can see, we are up at 104, and we were aiming for a 105 mark. Okay, and so we are $2 over what that strike is, and so that officially puts us in the money. Okay, so um now it's just a matter of what take place, between now and 9:30, and see if we can break above this 104 right here. We can push this thing up here and get out. But of course, we are not going to overstay our welcome in this thing much longer than we have to, because we want to be sure that we secure our profits. So uh it's now 9:03, and let's just see where this thing goes between now and 9:30. So I am about to get ready to close this thing out. I kind of wanted to see if we were going to get above that 104, because breaking above 104.60, above that 104 70 level that it hit up here, we could really begin to push this thing higher. But hey, let's just see where this 5 minute candle close out here, and breaking it below this, we coming on up out of here. We coming out. I say a damn good play. I see I have our order thing up here, so we can go ahead and knock that thing out just in case things gets a little too tricky. So we are going to go ahead and close this out. And that will conclude our play. All right, guys, so we have officially closed out that Nvidia play. Now, the day count, if we being technical, 1 day, 23 hours, or let's just go with 2 days, okay? So we entered that play on Monday. It is now Wednesday, and I'm going to do a quick recap on the back end to give you a rundown of when we got into the position and when we just closed it out, all right? So we got in Monday at 9:58 that morning, and we paid $115 to enter into that position. We got 102 strike on Nvidia, and we got into a call to ride it up. Calls just initially mean that we anticipate the stock going up. That's just for the people who are new to the option trading and maybe watching this video, okay? So let's go to our sale. Now, we just sold it at 9:35 today, Wednesday, the 23rd, and we sold it for $277. So that puts us up 155.65% return on our Nvidia play in just under 2 days. But I guess if we were looking at it, it's 2 days. So that was the play for our second episode. That officially puts us up at $317. And that leaves us with $683 to make to hit our $1,000 goal for this series. If you ask me, that was a damn good play. We didn't have to hold it very long, and as you guys can see, we were up a little over $300 when we first opened, but I was trying to see if we were going to break above that 104. My bad, y'all. But hey, we came out with 155% on this play, and I will definitely be paying attention next time. So that was the full rundown for that position. 115 that we paid and came out with $277. And that right there was a simple few day hold play, and we did not have to do too much. As of right now, Nvidia is down to 103.30, and it's really bouncing and kind of using that 50 EMA on this 15-minute time frame as a support right now. And so if we had stayed in that any longer, we would have been down even more. But overall, definitely a good play. And that right there should also just show you sometimes you gotta, when you see that damn profit, take the profit. Me not paying attention and kind of letting that candle play out. All right, not too much on it. So I gotta go check on the other accounts, and I will be preparing for us to get ready for our third play that we will be entering. And let's just say I'm looking for us to knock off $200 from our goal this time. I'm still debating on a swing or a day trade. I have been looking at SPY to kind of give you guys a feel with that one as well. But SPY most definitely is a day trade, baby. We're not holding it overnight. Absolutely not. I will see you guys in episode 3. So I'm about to log this position really quickly in the trade journal so that we can get ready to move on to the next one.